The booty drum. You might have seen the video. The booty drum is created by OO, and they have a whole bunch of these innovative instruments that they're going to drop on the market.
Yes, and with us we have Peter Jan, who is one of the designers of these instruments. Hi Peter Jan. Tell me, which instruments will be available soon?
So we created a range, about 5 instruments, which have all different kind of functions and which all are based on kind of controlling your computer or playing your computer by movement. And I got a few ones over there. Yeah, you can see them on the pictures. One is, for example, so we have them in kind of credit card versions. We have the kind of the product size, which is an aluminum casing, and then the kind of the credit card size, which is just kind of the board. So you can actually buy the electronics and then get the 3D print files yourself. So print your own print your own casing.
Awesome. And how exactly do these instruments work?
They all work differently. So we have one, for example, the one is the WOP, which controls kind of height, so you can control a sound by kind of moving your hand up and down, kind of like the theremin back then. We have one which is called Wiggle, which lets you control by every axis, so like X, Y, Z axis, kind of conducting your sound, of bending your sound. We got one which lets you control a computer, like play it like an air drum, and then put an effect on the drum you're playing. We got the tiniest drum computer ever built, or who knows, maybe not. And then we got one which enables you to kind of to draw music, and then as you can see, kind of you go over your drawing and then you play your drawing in real time. So it's kind of building your own physical sequencer on paper and then just play it.
And what kind of technology do you use for this?
We use a lot of kind of sensors, gyroscopes, accelerometers, like IR distance sensors. A lot of stuff is already out there. It's just kind of using it in a new way or in a different way.
Cool. Will these instruments change the way we compose music?
I don't know if they're going to change it completely. I don't know if it's going to create a new style. It's more kind of when you would play kind of physical instruments like a guitar or a drum. It's a lot of kind of human kind of touch in it. And nowadays everybody sits behind this computer and kind of almost codes music. So it's a way to kind of get some uniqueness and get some personality in your kind of digital music production.
Is there music available that was created with these instruments?
It started when like almost 3 years ago as my graduation project, and I made a small video with it. And now we're giving it away to artists to show them what they can do. The first idea is that for example, with the WOB, that you can control it by make it like a waving sound. But we saw already somebody using it to scratch. And use his fader by going his hand up and down. So it's not really creating a new style. It's more kind of creating options, and people will do with it what they want.
Okay, thank you very much. It sounds really, really awesome, and I really like these instruments. And if you guys want to see more of these instruments and maybe hear it, check out the article below.